Today I'll show you how to change withdrawal limit on your BPI account through the BPI website. First, go to the Contact Us of the official BPI website, bpi.com.ph. From there, fill out the required information in the form. Enter your email address and the last 4 digits of your account number. Under Concern, select Deposit as the purpose. Then select Withdrawal and Deposit Concerns under the area of concern. In the message section, simply state that you are requesting to change the withdrawal limit on your BPI account. Once you have completed the form, submit your request. After submitting, wait for BPI's review to your request.